Now let's check the box. Now you see? Did you see any repair here? Now it's good. It's original. You see? You see this circle? This one before destroyed because maybe they put junk here. I don't know. But now you see? The line, and the line. Okay. Now we have to return it back again. Go. See, also here is original. Now I have to repair this because it's a bend already because the flooring came up. This one go here like this bend. Now you see the cut. Now I have to repair this and return it back to its original position. You need to return